Alright, before we start, just state your name first, please.
Habbie Mohammed.
I can't look up, man. Habbie, good performance today from you, not certainly not the result that you have wanted for. Talk me through the game, or what were you most pleased about? Other than the defeat, what area of your game were you pleased about?
The centre backs play well.
Mhm.
Just that.
And disappointed with not getting the 3 points. What do you think you can work on improving to get the 3 points?
Work harder in training. Come out stronger the next match.
Some of the players, what do you think didn't work for the team today?
Repeat.
What didn't work for the Dunoon today? The passing, finishing, what area?
Composure.
Composure. How do you think you can improve upon that in training?
In training,
Better passes, better vision, or what area?
better passes, work harder.
Dunoon, first game of the season, defeat today. Thoughts on the next game? What you can bring towards the next game?
Fight. The next game, fight.